Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I will be creating Slinky from Toy Story. Few of you voted for me to go ahead and recreate Slink, so that's what I'm doing today. And for all my nails that I use for this Toy Story series, I will make sure to leave those linked in the description box below. They are these long, they are actually 2XL full cover tapered square nail tips, and they're in the color natural, and I absolutely love this shape. I personally cannot wear anything longer. I would love to wear 3XL nails because I think they're so gorgeous, but unfortunately I have carpal tunnel, and believe it or not, anything above 2XL really hurts my hands. I hate it. But so these are 2XL, so if you're interested, they'll be in the description box below, and they are natural like I said. And I do want to let you know that actually using these natural tips when creating French tips, like it covers that see-throughness, you know, that you're trying to cover when making French tip nails, and you use the sheer gel polish. These natural color tips actually help with that. So I believe when I'm done doing my Toy Story series, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can make a set where I use these nails, and I'll make, you know, some French tip designs somehow, and I'll show you the difference when using clear and natural. I know there's really not that many you know, natural color full cover tips out there, but I just decided to give these a try, and I absolutely love them. I got them on Amazon. So I'll hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and it is a watch me work, so I won't do any talking throughout the video, just let you enjoy watching me put together Slinky. I do want to just let you guys know that in between each detail, I did go ahead and flash cure for 30 seconds, and then I come back and I just go ahead and do that through the whole entire nail art. That's what I do. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and just make sure that if you're gonna go ahead and recreate some nail art, just use very light hands when doing your outlining. Make sure that you flash cure in between each detail so you don't mess up your work, okay? And if I can think about anything else later on in the video, I'll come back. But if not, I do want to just thank all of you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I absolutely appreciate your support. Thank you for subscribing. Those of you that are new here, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video to push out my content to others that love watching nail content, nail art and such. I happen to do press on nails on here. I'm thinking about doing gel X in the future. So if you like to watch that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of our family. And I'll go ahead and let you enjoy the video. Okay, have a good day if I don't come back, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.